Dragon fruit is cactus-based fruit that has loads of benefits. 1. This fruit balances blood sugar levels. 2. Good for hair, eyes, and heart. 3. Avoids spikes among people suffering from diabetics. 4. Reduces risk of cancer and diabetes. 5. Fights aging skin. 6. Makes healthy bones. 7. Helps boost immunity. 8. Good during pregnancy. 9. It works as antioxidants. 10. It has so many nutritional values. For more health, skin, and body care information, please hit subscribe button and press notification bell. Thanks for watching.